Hey. Okay. 10-minute Tuesday. Ooh. Okay, so I went through my scraps pile, which is right over there. I think I showed it to you guys in my craft space tour. It's not very much in it. It's not that pink thing. It's just that one of the leftover tears in my... Okay, I'm gonna stop now. This is going to be of my sissy and Uncle George. She is my dad's sister, and I probably stole this off Facebook because it's kind of what I do. I did bring out a doily because I'm thinking about putting them like that. Anyway, these are scraps. So I have a few pieces in there that are relatively large but are missing a few pieces, so I'm gonna just show you how I'm gonna do that. I'm basically gonna put a little piece down here. Not a little piece, more of a piece to cover that up. Okay, now I don't want to use that edge because it is... I'm going to leave a little bit of an edge here. Okay, hopefully that's straight. We shall see. Reckon that's going to cut? Oh, you know what? I should cut it this way first. Alright, right there. That's pretty spot on, huh? Alright. Boom. Got you an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Oh, I'm doing 8.5 by 11 today, guys. Anyway, so I left this so that I could tear these and do some layers with them. Oh, that's good enough. Yet again, I apologize for my husband's game if you can hear it over me. Okay. Do a little bit of this. And then I'll go back and just trim the edges off. Down, off, around, something. Okay. Then I wanted to put a little bit of yellow in there. Do I want to do a little bit or a lot of it? I really should set a timer for myself, huh? I don't think so. What about in between? Like I got time to be thinking about anything. Nope. Don't like it. Do I need to put the other one up here? Should I move it around? Nope. I'll lock it. Okay. Ooh, don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, this is going to get rid of a few of your scrippy scraps. I absolutely adore this paper pad that I got this from, which I could not tell you the name of it because that's how I roll. Whoop, get back over there. But I'm going to put that all back in my scraps because I love all the paper and it's reusable. Not reusable, but, you know, usable. So, that took ages. So we're going to be You know, I didn't take a doggone one embellishment out. Oh, you know what? I wonder if that'll work. That pink ain't settling well with me. Okay. I think I want to up here on this side though, because Uncle George is looking in. I don't know what he's looking at. Ain't none of my business. Here we go. My heart. Okay. Totally didn't think this through, guys. Totally didn't think this one through. What about this one? That one's better. The pink isn't as bright. Bring in some red twine to tie in these red hearts down here. This is just an embellishment that I made with that sticker pack. I believe it was let me not even lie. It was one of those sticker packs that I got. And no, I don't like any of those. Oh, you know what? Let me grab my wood veneer. Wood veneers have lost their spunk. People ain't all about wood veneers anymore, but I love them. We're gonna put a, oh, you know what? Put all the glue on it. Okay. And then this one. Okay. Oops, sorry. Then, and nestle this one in down here, huh? Maybe really, really small. See, I got it all over me. Turn it sideways. Get us a little camera on here, because who doesn't love a camera? And, oh, they're over here. A halt. Heart. That didn't sound like heart, did it? Okay. Looking like 10-Minute Tuesday is not working out for me yet again. Ah, well, what are you gonna do? I know what you're thinking. Speed it up! I don't like the sound of that. But I think I will do some sprinklies with some sequins and I'll be right back. Okay, I totally just put a few homemade enamel dots down, but I was thinking this bottom is kind of too open, I guess. I don't know. I like it, but I'm going to go ahead and add some of those repeating strips at the bottom, and it'll also help get rid of a few more scraps. There we go. Hold up, go back up. Nope. Okay. Ah, come on. The struggle is real. Get off my doggone. Good grief. Charlie Brown. Just gotta make sure, because this one's pretty low right there. Perfection. Alright. So, 10-minute Tuesday was a bust. I literally just started this last week and I haven't done a 10-minute Tuesday yet. But 10-minute Tuesday just sounds so much better than 15-20-minute Tuesday, you know? They'll just have to be really simple. Anyway, hope you guys stuck around. If you didn't, it's all good. I hope you have a good rest of your week. And don't forget to make sure you have some crafty time for yourself today. It is so, so very important for us crafty people. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Talk to you later. Bye.